You're watching Padho. Did you ever get confused about Article 368 or Constitutional Amendment Procedure? Don't worry, Padho will help you. So Article 368 mentions two ways of amending the Constitution. First one by simple majority of the Parliament, and second one simple majority along with ratification by state. There is also a third way by amending the Constitution in a simple way. Special majority means a majority that is more than 50% of the total membership of each house and a majority of 2/3 of the members of each house present and voting. Also focus on the word total membership here. Simple majority by ratification of state is very easy to understand. It is an amendment by a special majority of the parliament along with consent of half of the state's legislative assemblies. Now, how do we amend the constitution by simple majority? Very easy to understand. To amend the constitution by simple majority, two houses of the parliament must pass the bill by a simple majority. Technically speaking, it is outside the purview of Article 368, but it is still a means to amend the constitution. If you want to know which majority is used when, please let me know in the comment section.